Yes.
Number 6.
6.
Yes, this matter was
Oh,
listed on last Monday.
Some
It appears so.
6. What was the date fixed?
22nd of December.
No, the supplementary is not there.
This one.
Okay. File. The date was fixed on 22nd.
Yes.
It's there, no.
Mistake.
Available.
Yes. File item number 6.
You were from the respondent side.
Yes, I am from the respondent side.
Okay. It is submitted by the learning council for the parties that when the appeal was listed on 24/11/2025, it was agreed that the case would be listed on 22/12/2025. Full stop. Inadvertently, in the order dated 24/11/2025, the next date of listing is reflected as 26/12/2025. Full stop. As it is an inadvertent error, the appeal is to be listed on 22nd December 2025.
All right.
May I receive?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 1.
Item number 1.
Yes,
Yes.
Lordship. We have taken consent from order 40. And
Keep item number 1. Yes.
Lordship,
What do you want? Why?
Lordship, this matter may be fixed on 22 December.
22 December.
Yes, Lordship.
No issue.
Okay, Mr. Central Learned Council appearing for the petitioner has sought listing of the case on 22nd December 2025. First off, the prayer is not objected to by Mr. Central Learned Advocate General Arunachal Pradesh and other Learned Council for the respondents, first off, state respondents and other Learned Council for the respondents, first off, in view of the above, let the case be listed on 22nd December 2025.
May please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention one unlisted item, Lordship.
What unlisted?
This is a writ petition, Lordship. The urgency is that, Lordship, this is a service matter about my transfer. Now the urgency is that the ADC is giving me a call that
It is single bench matter or
DB,
DB matter?
division bench, Lordship. Yes, the ADC is giving me a warning that if I don't vacate my government quarter by this 30, he will vacate it forcefully. So that's why
Tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship. Highly obliged, Lordship.
Yes, any other mention?
Item number 2.
Yes.
My lord, this appeal has been prepared, my lord. They're selling the
What is the offense? What is the offense?
offense is
Conviction?
rape, my lord. Otherwise, my lord,
Conviction.
my lord.
376D.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. It has come for what? TCR has been received? Not yet. Any comment in the?
Lordship, the notice of victim is yet to be received, Lordship.
Yes, TCR as well as so and so. TCR not received. Then who are the respondents?
For the state, Lordship.
You are for the state.
Yes, Lordship.
Appeal memo. Respondent number 3 has been striked off.
Yes, my lord.
So respondent number 2 not yet received. Service report. Let us have the TCR. Yes, PP is going to file any objection to the IA?
Lordship, since the notice was not completed, Lordship, so let the informant appear, Lordship.
Okay, but do you have any intention to file an objection to the IA?
Lordship, I will argue on merit, Lordship.
Huh?
Argue on merit, Lordship, without filing, Lordship.
He'll be filing or not filing? Whether it is a requirement?
Not required, Lordship.
It's not BNSS otherwise. P89. Punishment is for, sentence is for
For my lord, 20 years, my lord.
20 years.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, 430. First proviso to 430 says, before releasing
Yes,
a convicted person on bail, who is convicted for an offense punishable with death or imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term of less than 10 years,
yes, Lordship.
shall give opportunity to the public prosecutor for showing cause in writing
Yes,
against the release.
yes. We will file, Lordship, in it. Yes, Lordship.
So it is a requirement
Yes, Lordship.
under the BNSS.
Yeah.
If you're not going to file, you say we'll record.
No, we will file, Lordship. In other words, also the if informant and they will,
The informant is okay, but it is the state who is prosecuting.
yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So learned also for the appellant and Mr. So learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1, state. Full stop. As per office notes, the TCR and the service report in respect of respondent number 2 are yet to be received. Full stop. In view of the same, let the case appeal be listed after 2 weeks awaiting the TCR and the service report in respect of respondent number 2. Full stop. In IA. Mr. Swenso, appellant, and Mr. Swenso, learned additional public prosecutor for the opposite party, that's respondent number 1, state of Assam. Full stop. As per office note, same repeat video. Also, Mr. The learned additional public prosecutor has sought for
Public prosecutor, Lordship.
learned public prosecutor, or additional public.
Public prosecutor.
Learned additional public prosecutor. Learned public prosecutor has sought for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file an objection to the instant interlocutory application. Please the case after 2 weeks.
Briefly, please.
Item number 3 and 4.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, this is application for suspension of a sentence,
So what is the offense?
302. 302,
302.
yes.
Then public prosecutor, same.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Miss
J. Doji.
J. Doji, learned legally counsel for the appellant, appealer likibo. And Mr. Swenso, learned public prosecutor for the respondent state. I think there is no private respondent here.
No, no private
Okay.
response.
As per office note, the paper book, preparation of the paper book is in progress. Full stop. I heard Ms. Swenso, learned legal aid counsel for the applicant appellant and Mr. Swenso, learned additional public prosecutor for the opposite party, thus respondent state. Post of decision application under section 430, Bharatiya Nagaric Surakha Hunita, seeking suspension of the execution of sentence passed against the applicant appellant in Sessions case number 13/2023, passed by the Court of Learned Session Judge, West Cameng District. Oh, no, districts of West Cameng, East Cameng, and Tawang, Winnipeg Trial Court, full stop. By the judgment and order dated 22/3/2024. By the judgment and order dated 22/03/2024, comma. How many appellants?
One.
The applicant has been convicted. What is the name of the appellant?
Pasang Siado.
Along with two other accused persons, comma, has been convicted for the offense of murder under section 302 IPC read with section 34 IPC, and all the three accused persons have been sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 20,000 each, comma, with default stipulation, post op. The appellant is also convicted for the offense under section 3201 IPC, and for such conviction, comma, he has been sentenced to undergo 7 years of rigorous imprisonment and to pay a fine of rupees 5,000, comma, with default stipulation 9. Post op. In addition, comma, the appellant has also been sentenced for the offense under section 25 within bracket 1 capital B Arms Act and with default stipulation asset, and he has been sentenced to undergo simple imprisonment for 2 years. All the sentences are ordered to run concurrently. Post of issue notice returnable. The state is to file its objection to the application as per the first proviso to section 430 within bracket 1 within on or before the next set of listing. So main appeal to click it after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 5,
Main appeal to office to place a report as regards preparation of the paper book on the next set of listing. Yes,
My lord, item 5, my lord. My lord, this is an appeal by the state, ma'am.
appeal by the state.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, I'm on.
The other side is appearing through.
Yes, Mr.
Hello, I'm appearing.
Okay. Yes.
I'm online, madam.
Okay.
My lord, basically this matter pertains to payment of ex gratia compensation. My lord, the petitioner's husband died while returning from duty, my lord. Now they claim to be in service. That's why they are claiming this. My lord, for that we'll have to first look into the scheme itself, what it provides, my lord.
23.
My lord, the scheme, my lord, the type copy is at 203, page 203.
203.
Yes, my lord. Or we have also annexed, my lord, we can come to, my lord, 275. That will be the original scheme, my lord.
Yeah, better.
Same thing, 275.
It is a good copy, fair copy.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, it says, in the interest of public service and in supersession of earlier government notification issued, notified so and so, except as respect things done or omitted to be done before such supersession, the government of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to adopt and notify a new scheme, namely Arunachal Pradesh ex gratia grant state so and so. Introduction itself, my lord. On the so and so, the Honorable Chief Minister has announced that the state government would frame a policy for award of ex gratia payment of rupees 50 lakhs only to all state police personnel, irrespective of rank, who die while fighting any terrorists, criminals, underground elements, or while performing law and order duties, and also for providing a suitable government job for their next of kin.
So
Bharat-
we are into which part?
We are into the Arunachal Pradesh,
While performing law and order,
while performing.
Yes,
Yes,
not terrorist, criminal or underground element.
yes. The petitioner's husband was IRBN personnel, my lord.
Let us objective.
Objective, my lord, to
Mhm.
provide ex gratia grant to all those state police personnel which Arunachal Pradesh Police, Arunachal Armed Police Battalion, and IRBN personnel.
Here the disease belongs to which one?
IRBN.
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 Irrespective of rank, who are killed or permanently disabled or grievously seriously injured while fighting terrorist, militant, criminal, underground element, or while performing law and order duty or disaster management duties.
In the states, yes, madam. What I would be emphasizing is that, or while performing law and order duties or disaster management duties,
Hmm.
madam, while performing. Madam, the facts is that the disease was,
Let us
Right.
see the story.
yes, madam. The FIR itself, madam. My lord will find the FIR.
28th. Yes, 28th.
Scheme is at
Yes.
page, 1 minute.
Okay.
Scheme is at page,
My lord, 222.
28.
222
275,
is the type out copy, my lord. 22.
22.
2, may I read, my lord? Due
Yes.
respect to inform your good self that today at around 18:30 hours, our constable Amos Regan, son of so-and-so, 34 M, who was on round-the-clock duty at Santipur check gate in view of the pandemic of COVID-19 and was along with our section of force, so-and-so, entrusted with the responsibility of patrolling along the porous Assam-Arunachal boundary, had died after his motorcycle, so-and-so, collided with the barricade at the forest check gate. The said personnel, Amos Regan, was on duty at the time of the accident and had gone to cross-check the information that some miscreants from Assam were trying to enter through the Daran village into the Arunachal Pradesh. While on his return, he met with the accident and was immediately rushed to district hospital Roing, where declared broad dead. So and so. Now,
Fighting is not there.
fighting is
So
there.
not there.
He was
So COVID-19 is what?
disaster management.
Disaster.
Yes,
It is declared to be disaster.
yes,
So he was on duty for
disaster.
pandemic COVID-19 at
Yes.
Sandipur Sekgate. Then these miscreants, he got the information.
Yes,
So he was sent there.
send here
And
Why?
while coming back,
while coming back.
he collided with some, died on broad date. So why it
My lord-
is not
Yes, my lord.
included?
Yes, my lord will kindly come to.
Let us see first any postmortem.
Yes, my lord. All
Yes.
this
What is the final
This
report?
is-
What is the final report?
final report also is annexed, my lord.
Final report,
There-
next page. but nothing.
Nothing, my
It is incomplete. Looks like it is incomplete. Huh? Inquest report.
inquest report.
Lacerated injury seen. Scratch injury, laceration on both hand, eye closed. Tears on left ear. Inquest report. Okay. Inquest report.
It is not disputed he succumbed to his injuries,
Mhm.
my lord.
Now let us see the document just for our.
Yes.
So the concept of
Only,
Alliance Single Judge has awarded.
yes,
Okay, this is date certificate. What is the date of the incident?
date of
12/5.
incident will be
12/5/20.
12/5/2020. Comments. Yes, come to page 251. This is SP's
yes.
opinion. Page
SP's,
251,
SP's
para
recommend-
4.
Yes, my lord.
Let us read.
From the investigation, it has established that the section of force from Khoi So and So deployed at Santipur was entrusted with the responsibility of patrolling in the area to prohibit illegal trespass in the district of Assam in view of COVID-19 restrictions. On 12/5/2020, at around 17 hours, information was received from the villagers of at Daran village that some miscreants from Assam are trying to enter through the forest boundary, bypassing the thermal screening and quarantine procedures set up at the check gate. Constable Amos Regon was sent to verify the said information, and while on return on his motorcycle from the said village, having verified the said information and foiling the attempt of the intruders to enter, he met with an accident when his motorcycle collided with an iron barricade. He was immediately rushed to the spot by the police team at Santipur to the hospital after being altered by witnesses, where he was declared brought dead, man.
So he foiled the attempt,
Yes, ma'am.
foiling the attempt to intruders to enter.
Yes, ma'am.
So from Santigate, Santipur, he was deployed, right?
Yes,
Then Doron village, he went there.
yes.
And after foiling the attempt,
He was returning.
he returned.
Yes.
So the
He met with,
theory of notional extension is applied or not applied?
my lord, respectfully, in this ex gratia, that's why ex gratia, the scheme itself is on some eventuality while performing the duty. It is
Right.
not an extension. We cannot,
His original place of deployment was Santipur.
yes.
Received information at 5 p.m.
He
He
was
went
on,
there, he foiled there.
he was
He
on,
foiled.
he
He
was,
foiled the attempt.
yes,
Then after foiling the attempt, he was again coming to his original place of deployment.
yes, ma'am.
This journey
Yes, ma'am.
is whether it is part of while performing
It
the
is- no,
disaster management duties or not.
My-
Because again, he will be
He-
performing.
He is on duty, but at that point of time, he was not.
That would be a narrow interpretation
My-
of a
this is-
ex gratia concept.
Yes, my lord. Why a narrower concept has been, has to be applied in this case is because this ex gratia is for specific performance, my lord. It says performing. That's why if you are killed while performing the duty, it is not that while returning or while going for performing the duty. That is the interpretation. Otherwise, all all eventualities, which is not directly
It is
connected.
not even. It is not even. There is a concept
Yes,
arising out of in the course of employment.
Yes.
It is not even that theory is extended. Suppose there is a driver.
yes,
His place of employment is 5 kilometer, at a 5 kilometer distance from his home, or any other employee. He goes to his place of employment in a normal route and comes back to his house in a normal route. By the theory, it is
he is
arising out of and in the course of employment.
court
Right.
employment.
Here, it is not even the case.
Yes,
He is not returning to his home. He had gone to a place in the course of his duty and was coming back to his original place of duty at Santipur. And whether this theory, if that theory is applicable, suppose, because both are the Employees Compensation Act
yes.
is a beneficial
Employees
legislation.
Compensation Act. Yes, that
This
theory
ex gratia is also a beneficial concept. Ex gratia means relief,
release.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this appears to be this holy and all force
My lord.
seems to be applicable.
Yes, my lord. But our stand is that if my lord, therefore, if we kindly again come to
He was
the
not even
object.
coming to his home
Yes, my lord.
after completing his duty.
275.
He was, the superintendent has asserted, DSP has asserted,
Yes, ma'am.
for
Yes.
superintendent of police.
It is
Huh?
not disputed at all, my lord.
Where is the, then how is the procedure?
Procedure is
Then a deputy commissioner.
Yes, my lord. Procedure, my
Okay,
lord, will
Deputy
come.
commissioner, application submitted. Forwarded ex gratia case.
My lord will come to the page 275 itself.
75.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
275 is the main, this, my lord. The procedure also is there, my
What is
lord.
the amount? 50 lakhs.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
50 lakhs, my lord will see what is at part 2, quantum of ex gratia grant under the policy.
Serial number 1.
Serial number 1, while fighting terrorists,
That part you leave aside.
militants, criminals,
Or.
while performing,
Hmm.
it says while performing law and order duties, disaster management duties in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. 50 lakhs,
You have put the disproportionate for permanent disability, it is 10 lakh.
10
For
lakhs,
death, you have put the figure 50 lakhs.
50 lakhs in the case of death.
Normally,
In case of
permanent
injury,
disability, 100% is more because the family suffers for the whole life.
yes,
Anyway.
my lord, that is
That is a different document to be produced. Okay. Procedure and recommendation on the application.
yes, my lord.
Deputy Commissioner through the concerned superintendent of police. Receive the application concerned. Get the application screened or district level board. All application for execution shall be screened and examined by the Home Department. Where is the state level committee?
State level, my lord, will find at part 4, my lord, page 278.
That is, I have seen.
The
Where is the
application-
decision of the state level committee?
Yes, my lord. That my lord will kindly say. At page 273. This is the screening committee, minutes of the screening committee held on 273. Minutes of the screening committee held on so and so, so and so. My lord, the petitioner's late husband name appears at serial number 1. Then in the bottom 4, before the column, my lord, serial number 4. In respect of the following personals at serial number 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, the committee observed that these cases are not covered under the guidelines notification of the,
No reason.
my lord. This,
No reason.
No reason.
Simple rejection.
Yes, simple reason is that it is not covered. Why it is not covered?
What does the single judge observed?
That is single judge. That means. If
Not a single judge have observed that
What
he
is the
will be
judgment?
entitled. She will be entitled.
What is the judgment?
Judgment, my lord, will find at page 16 onwards.
Page number
Page 16.
16.
Yes.
1-6. Who are the petitioners?
Petitioners is number one is the wife,
Wife.
and the rest are his children,
Minor
minor
children. Facts are clear. How the death occurred, that is also clear.
Yes. Facts are clear, my lord.
Huh.
Only whether the interpretation of the scheme is in dispute, my lord.
COVID is declared disaster
Yes,
already there.
everything.
Huh.
All facts are clear, my lord.
So he has referred to McKinsey
Yes.
and Hasbury. Or Francis de Costa is there or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Francis de Costa is there.
Yes,
yes,
yes.
yes.
Which paragraph? 11.7.
7.
Yes, 11.7 at page 32.
Hmm.
There was an accident had a casual connection with the employment. The
Page
accident must have
34.
been sub-
11.11 paragraph.
Yes. Page 32.
Paragraph 10, as a rule, throw rust or
Yes, sir.
salt.
not to read.
Para 11, McKinnon McKenzie. It has stood the test of time till 7 days back also.
Yes, my lord. I'm not disputing this. These all judgments, my lord, I'm not disputing. These judgments,
This is a beneficial scheme.
yes, my lord, these judgments, whatever referred, is for the principle of in the course
Even
of employment, my lord.
McKinnon or Francis de Costa,
My lord.
the test applied, parameters is applied, is a broad one in comparison to the case in hand.
My lord, here, my lord, this is a beneficial scheme, but a special beneficial scheme, apart from what other benefits are given to the employees. It is for certain eventualities. It is not to cover any type of eventualities, my lord. That's why the ex gratia compensation also is high, very high, unlike other eventualities which occurs during the course of employment. Here, this scheme is specially for eventualities which occurs while performing the
So
duty.
direct.
It should have the direct connection with the performance of his duties and the cause of any injury or death, my lord. That's why the scheme is only for limited eventualities, not in total to cover up any type of eventualities.
Yes, any authority?
My lord, I had relied before the single bench.
That has been discussed.
Yes, my lord. Here also,
Yes.
it is
Which
not.
one? Which one?
My lord, this Punya Chutia also.
Punia.
Yes,
Where
my
is that? In which paragraph it has
Then-
been referred?
This, my lord, only the facts, my lord. This was a case where he was, the disease was on as a security guard. He died in an accident while on his duty. But his case also was not covered. And then Punya,
Where it is mentioned, referred to, judgment Punia
my lord,
in
in
the,
the judgment, my lord,
44, Lordship. Page 44. Page 44.
18.1, para.
yes, 44.
4,
Yes, Lordship.
Para? Para?
18.2.
18.2,
Para 18.1.
18.1 also.
18.1.
18 point.
मात्र इंसर्जी ऑपरेशन करने असली
Sound come out.
Or is a different one?
My lord,
He was engaged in, if he is engaged in counter-insurgency operation, notification says he will be
my lord, the
paid.
facts,
But so far as PSO,
yes, my lord, I was referring to the facts. Here also, he was on duty. He was on duty along
duty with a for a minister or chairman,
yes,
politician.
yes. He was on duty. He met with an accident along with that protectee, and he died.
Road accident.
Road accident.
Road accident.
He was on duty, but
That is not counter-insurgency.
Yes.
That has been,
yes, that is not
for that
counter-insurgency, but
purpose, it has been denied.
yes, but the fact that he was on duty, that is not denied, my lord. What I mean to say that also will not be in the called in performing duty, because it was an accident. That will not directly count, my lord. Directly fit into this.
Two factors there. One is duty.
Yes,
Second is counter-insurgency.
counterintelligence.
One of the factor was present.
Yes.
The other factor was not present.
Present.
Right. Had it been that had that vehicle been ambushed
Yes.
by, say, terrorists,
Yes.
then in that case it would have been covered.
Covered.
But because it made with an accident,
Yes.
it was not covered.
Covered. Now, therefore, my lord, here also,
I have understood your point.
one factor is missing
One factor is missing.
in this present case, my lord. It is no, there is no quarrel on the fact that he was on duty. He was assigned duty. The fact that he died not while performing duty. The cause of death is not while performing duty. The scheme says while performing duty. It does not say during the course of employment.
Whether that will not embrace original place of deployment was at
Santipur check gate.
Sandipur. He was sent.
Yes.
He was sent in the course of duty.
In the course of duty.
In the course of duty to a place called some village.
Daran.
And he foiled the attempt. Again, he was coming to his original place of duty.
Yes.
He was duty. He was
He
on
was
duty.
on duty.
He
was on
and if he remained there to avoid the duty at original place of duty, there will be again dereliction of duty.
No, my lord. What I would have,
I have understood your point.
His case would have been covered if he, while performing the duty, if he.
You are trying to put your nose through a very narrow hole where
My
the
lord,
nose even
my lord,
does not enter.
My lord, here in the what I'm submitting, the scheme will not cover all, even
Only specific.
only specific.
Okay,
That
I
is
have understood.
that is the scheme which the government intended. It is not that to cover up any sort of eventualities, stray eventualities while being on duty. It is only to cover the eventualities directly while performing. That's why killed. the word kill during performance, my lord. That is, it is not to cover that while being on duty, you are going for doing the duty or coming from the duty and then meeting with any eventuality. It is the eventuality should be in direct connection with while performing his duty. It is not to cover.
While performing his duty for disaster management.
Yes, my lord. I'll give an example. Had he contacted any COVID, or had he, while trying to stop from entering, had he been killed or injured while trying to prevent someone, had he been killed or injured or contacted COVID?
You are in intra-court appeal.
Yes, my lord. That is why, my lord, the correct interpretation of the scheme, my lord. If my lord kindly see the scheme itself, the heading itself shows that while performing, can this honorable court go beyond and stretch it to such an extent to cover any sort of eventualities, my lord? The government has interpreted and has framed it, this special scheme, making the ex gratia compensation amount also in a very high rate, my lord. That is only because the eventualities, which is
These
directly.
schemes are trial and error. In the state of Assam also, many schemes were.
My lord, in that even it.
Then the people taking advantage of the small loopholes there started getting benefit. Then ultimately that has been revised. So
My lord-
nothing is foolproof.
Yes, my lord. Therefore, in the event,
Yes, Mr. Prakash.
my lord, one more submission, my lord. Kindly come to page 273, my lord. My lord, there are many applicants for this ex gratia compensation, my lord. 273, my lord. Along with the petitioner's husband, my lord, there were other 4 also rejected.
We don't know their
Yes,
facts.
yes, my lord. Facts, my lord.
We are not aware of their facts.
Yes, my lord.
Why should
But-
we?
Why these other 4s were also rejected, my lord, will kindly say.
Since there is now no reason by the state scrutiny committee,
Reason,
no
my-
reason assigned that they are not distinct, they simply discarded all the applications.
yes,
Except one.
reason is it is not covered. Reason is
Where is the reason?
it is not covered, my lord.
Oh, dismissal means not covered.
My lord, it is not covered by the scheme. The interpretation is that although no elaborate
Okay,
reason
I
is
have-
given,
we
but
have heard.
my lord, what I submit, my lord, in the event, if we stretch this,
This is not a
scheme.
case of stretching also.
if we stretch this, there will
It is
be
not a
many
case of
claimants.
stretching or application of notional extension theory.
My lord,
There is a direct causal connection.
my lord, it is not while performing, my lord. That's why, my lord. Tomorrow, suppose,
That-
my lord, I'll
that-
just give an example.
From one place of duty to other place of duty,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
comes within the embrace of performing duty.
My lord, tomorrow, suppose.
To the
Yes, ma'am.
tentatively, we are of that view.
My lord. what my respectful submission, my lord.
You revise it is hurting you because the amount.
No, my lord. It is not that.
It
My-
is hurting you.
Not the amount, my lord. Not the
That
amount.
is up to you for revise.
My lord, not the amount. Just for an example, my lord. Tomorrow, suppose there is a bond call here. Bond call in the state capital. There are,
Each facts,
yes, my lord.
each case is to be decided on its own.
Yes, my lord. Just an example. Now, the troops are brought in from different districts, my lord, police personnel. Now, after performing the law and order duty, while going back in their bus, if they meet with an accident,
That is the notional extension theory.
my lord, that
But that notional extension theory is not even applicable in this case.
my lord, it's
That the example you are putting up is interpreted, expounded by this McKinnon or Francis de Costa, right?
yes,
This example is not even notional extension theory. It is a case of direct causal connection.
my lord. Here,
It is much narrower than McKinnon or Francis de Costa.
yes, my lord.
And those decisions or that concept has been again affirmed by 7 days by the Honorable Supreme Court 7 days back.
Yes, my lord.
Maybe
That that principles are
I have understood your
on
point.
the context that being in service or being on duty. This scheme is while performing duty. It is not to be interpreted being on duty.
What is the dictionary meaning of perform?
Performing, my lord, that's why we'll have to interpret it in while performing the duty assigned, not being on duty. Today, while coming to this court, we might be, my lord will be on duty,
Uh-huh.
but while performing duty, my lord, while sitting in
Law
the,
is elastic.
my lord, here it is our,
Not mathematics.
yes, my lord, therefore the eventualities also is specific. It says specific. If I may read again, my lord. While fighting terrorists, militants, while fighting
No, that part is different.
militants,
Or
criminals,
you read after or.
yes, my lord. Now, if we interpret it that being on duty will be the same like on the same footing like fighting
Suppose
militants, my lord.
Suppose riot broke out. A team of commandos. Riot broke out at Itanagar, at UPI and Naharlagun. Team of commandos consisting of 20 say came and suppose removed the
Yes,
rioters from Itanagar. Then they have to rush to Ipia to again do that. In the meantime, the vehicle fell into a gorge. So that is, according to you, that is not performing duty.
my lord. There has-
Because I'm giving a same example.
yes,
That will be not performing duty.
yes, my lord.
So they will be on their own
Yes.
at that time.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
They are not under their employer.
yes, my lord.
Good.
My lord, here
I
because
have heard you, sir.
my lord,
We
here
cannot
because
hurt you more.
there has been
We
some
cannot hurt you
instances
more.
where
We have given enough
Yes, madam,
time.
only
More than
last-
half an hour, 45 minutes.
there has been
Yes, let us
instances.
hear the other one. You reply after that.
My lord,
You reply.
yes, my lord.
Reserve your right to reply for 5-10 minutes.
Yes, my lord. Oh,
May I
okay.
praise the Lord?
Yes, Mr. Puragasto.
My Lord, may I praise the Lord, my Lord? Basically, my Lord, the question, yes, my Lord, the argument as sought for,
Facts are
my
clear.
Lord, by the, my Lord, I'm just
Scheme
coming, my
is
Lord.
clear. It
Scheme
will
is
just
absolutely clear. And my lord, so far the scheme is concerned, I will refer to your lordship, and lordship will kindly appreciate the word or is used, my lord. Therefore, it is separate category. And
I am
once it is
already
a
said,
separate
sir, don't
category,
repeat.
yes, my lord.
Mr.
And if it is
Purogasto,
my lord.
Mr. Purogasto,
Ah,
don't
my lord.
repeat. First part is not applicable. The
Much.
second part, after or, that is applicable in the case in hand. So don't
Much.
repeat.
No, what I'm trying to say, my lord, he is trying to say that he is making a distinguishing, my lord, argument. He said that I was on duty, but I was not in actual duties. Therefore, the question will arise, my lord, when I discharge my duties by going to, my lord, that particular place. And
Yes.
I was
Please continue. Please continue.
And coming back before reporting my commanding officer, I was accepted to this. Yes, while I was about to report my lord, my commanding of whether my duty can be said to have been ceased. And Supreme Court says, my lord, in my lord also, my lord, honor will not be said to have been ceased. Duty continues. If a person is, my lord, coming from residence to place of posting, my lord, residence, if anything happened, that shall lordship has rightly pointed out. My lord, therefore, my lord, the argument as made, my lord, is not a duty. Then court was pleased to, my lord, direct them to. Yes, my lord. To place on record
Yes.
the reason. Then they filed an additional affidavit, my lord, and they brought on record a notification. That notification
Yes.
was 24/3/2024, saying that accident is excluded. Accident is
one?
excluded from the purview of notification.
Which one is excluded?
Accident is excluded.
Where it is
Any sort of accident.
available? Page?
Page, my
Yes,
lord, lordship,
Mr.
yes.
Yes, Mr. Orton.
Yeah,
Where
I'm
that
showing
is?
it.
Page.
Yes, I'm showing, my lord. They have filed additional affidavit.
The notification is of date?
Notification 24/3/2024.
6/11/2019.
Disaster Management Act. That's a Disaster Management Act. Which notification he is referring to?
Yes, my lord.
Additional affidavit. So
Additional
বেলেগ
affidavit
আছে
they
নি?
filed. That was filed on, my lord, on
Yes.
it
Disaster and
was
disaster management.
filed on, my lord,
Page.
6th April 2024. And that was annexed as annexure, my lord, one annexure 6 at page 6.
Mr. Orton, can you take us to that notification he is referring to?
26 March 2024. Annexure 1 series at page 6. Additional affidavit filed by respondent on 6/4/2024.
In appeal or in the writ petition?
Original writ petition.
So
Original
file
writ
a
petition.
figure.
Because court was not satisfied and court directed them to produce on record the reason. Then they have showed the reason by referring to this particular notification, saying that accident is excluded. I'm just reading, my lord, at page 6.
Page, what is the page number?
Page 6. the additional affidavit.
In the appeal
Page-
memo, please, in the appeal memo, what is the,
Appeal
what
memo,
is the
they did
page?
not, appeal memo, they did not refer, my lord. They did not bring it on record, my lord. In appeal memo, they didn't enclose this document.
So how can it be?
Because the writ petition, my lord, in the writ petition it is available.
You have not annexed the
Okay.
additional affidavit.
That
What does it
initial-
say? Because
It says that-
Mr. Puragasta, your voice is breaking.
Oh, my, I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, they say by referring to this notification,
Writ petition. Ka.
Please continue.
yes, they say by referring to this notification that accident, motor vehicle accident, helicopter, aircraft accident, health service, etc. are not inclusive in the, my lord, notification. Our accident is
That is
excluded. Therefore, I am not
2024.
2024.
That is 2024.
21. We filed our reply, my lord, saying that this notification cannot have any application. You cannot give it a retrospective effect. Occurrence took place in 2020. And the notification in the original policy,
Has it been referred to in the judgment?
no. it was
Mr.
not
Ratan,
referred.
has it been referred to?
Okay.
Because we don't have the benefit of reading that additional affidavit or reply.
No, it was not referred to.
Not referred to.
My lord. But what I'm,
Even
what
you
I,
are
what
not
I insist on,
annexing
my
it.
lord, they took a different stand at the I did not accept, my lord. I did not file any affidavit because everything is on record. Therefore, I
Okay.
didn't file it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Therefore, the concept of, my lord, actual duty, that doesn't have any, my lord, legal sense. Because Supreme Court has, my lord, given the benefit of a notional extension and casual noxious. And had he not been on, my lord, deported to that particular place, accident would not have occurred. Therefore, it has got casual and direct noxious with my duty. That apart, my lord, we filed an additional affidavit in the writ appeal. My lord, with the leave of the court to bring on record certain documents. And that is
We
the
don't
part
have
of
any
the,
additional affidavit.
no, my lord, in the writ appeal.
Oh, yes, we don't have any additional affidavit in the writ appeal.
That was, my lord.
আসেনি, একটু আসলে দিও, ফাইল আসলে দিও। একশো ফাইল নাই।
That must have been, my lord.
কোথায় additional affidavit তো নাই এটা। অকল এপ্রিলটো আছে। Any extra files?
No, it's idea on this. Additional affidavit. Additional affidavit है? Is there any additional affidavit?
I need. We don't have any additional pleading other than the
Sorry.
memo.
Even then, my lord, I just for your lordship appraisal, my lord, there was an order issued that petitioner shall be on 24 hours duty. Not only on round the clock duty, but he would remain on duty for 24 hours. And we, my lord, we made our submission before the Honorable Single Judge. And perhaps my lord, Honorable Single Judge has taken into consideration that aspect of the matter, that he was on, my lord, 24 hours duty. Therefore, duty cannot be ceased to exist. That apart, my lord, I say that, my lord, there are some authority, judicial view, my lord. And I'm just reading one line, lordship, for kindly consideration. A police officer in the state of Arunachal Pradesh is on all police organization is generally required to report the completion of assigned law and order duties to their commanding officer. Therefore, once he was deputed to collect certain materials, and is he not supposed to, my lord, report the commanding officer? And while he was on the way for reporting to commanding officer, my lord, mishap happened, and he died. Therefore, my lord, where is the scope for them to say that he was not on duty? And what is the, my lord, justification that he was not in actual duties, or he was on duty but not on actual duties? The word used is performing duties, my lord. And my lord, in this regard, my lord, I will refer to one decision, my lord, my junior is before the lordship, my lord, she will Debi Shala's case. This is Debi Shala's case. That was judgment was delivered on 28 July 2025. Supreme Court. All the, my lord, points as held by all the findings of the Honorable Single Judge is, my lord, ultimately accepted by Supreme Court in this particular case. Notional extension, then casual casual nexus, then proximity,
Liberal
then liberal interpretation, everything, my lord. And in that case also, my lord, I'm just reading, my lord, one paragraph, paragraph 56. Following undisputed facts emerged in this case, the deceased so-and-so was employed with the respondent number 2, and he was employed as watchman, and his duty hours on 22/4/2003 at was 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. It is undisputed that he was proceeding to his workplace when the accident occurred at place, which was about 5 kilometers approximately from the workplace, while employee was proceeding towards the workplace. In view of the above, considering the deceased was in night watchman and was dutiful proceeding to his workplace to be well on time, there was a clear nexus between the circumstances, time, place in which the accident occurred and his employment as watchman. The accident having clearly arisen out of and in course of employment. The commissioner for work income so was justified in ordering the claim under section so. Therefore, my lord, once it is arising out of, my lord, duty or in course of employment, then obviously, my lord, that particular time when accident took place must be deemed to be a part of his duty. And it shall be deemed to be
Okay,
on
I've
duty.
got, you have got your point. Yes, sir.
But I'll just
On
make
the other
my
hand, my
thought-
lord, I will support the judgment of this honorable.
this scheme, my lord, is what I have already submitted. It's a welfare scheme, but not for ordinary course of duty, my lord.
Hmm.
It is a welfare
Who is giving?
scheme.
Who is giving this? Huh? That is nothing. With you, I don't think. Yes.
But this scheme is not for ordinary course of duty, my lord. For eventualities which occur during the ordinary course of duty, my lord.
Yes.
This scheme is to cover eventualities in special occasions where while performing duty.
Ah, yes.
Yes,
I have
while
noted
performing.
down now.
And my lord will kindly say that in the scheme, the eventualities like being killed, permanently disabled, grievously injured while fighting, my lord. These have been meant while fighting terrorists, militants,
Oh,
underground.
don't go to
elements.
fighting.
Yes, my lord.
Two parts to it.
Yes, my lord. Or while performing.
What is the meaning of
My-
or?
Yes, my lord. Or while performing. My lord, the performing of duties like killing, fighting militants, and the performing of duties natural, which is the usual duties, cannot be equated. My humble summary cannot be equated. These are extreme eventualities. We cannot.
So while traveling from that place to the check gate,
Yes,
he
He
was
is-
traveling to perform the duty.
he
And
was only,
traveling to perform the duty, and if he died either at place A or place B, then he would have died performing the duty. This is your case.
my lord, here because
Because
that's why
during that time, while traveling to point A or point B, he was going to perform the duty. But that is not performing duty. That is your case.
yes, my lord. Here, even instances have been there where for rescue operations, when the personnels were traveling in a helicopter for performing the rescue operation, they crashed. But their cases were also not considered
Which
because
judgment?
My lord, not judgment, in the instance in the state, my lord.
Hmm?
Their cases also were not considered, my lord.
Not considered is different thing.
Yes, they were also not considered.
There was litigation.
No, my lord.
Then
They accepted,
they accepted.
no,
Somebody does not accept.
my lord. Therefore, these
Whether that
cases,
case was before the court.
simple
No,
instance.
but that case was before
my
the
lord.
court.
No, my lord, but
Otherwise, I can give 100 instances like this also where it was denied.
my last
And
submission-
other 4 persons were also denied by the state level
Ma-
committee. They did not approach the court.
Yes, my lord.
So their case should be similarly treated with this case in hand.
My lord,
That might be your submission also. That will not be a
yes, my lord.
reliance on any authority or law.
My lord, what is the recommendation by the board also?
Board-
District Court at page 260, only one. page, my lord.
Perfunctorily functioned.
Page 260.
Perfunctorily functioned. I have read.
What the
How
board,
many times will read?
the date, cause of that is that it is while returning from COVID duty. It is not while performing, or it is not said while going for,
What is the report, sir? We have
260.
already read paragraph 4 and 5,
yes, my lord,
and that has been endorsed by Deputy
Yes, why-
Commissioner, recommended to the
recommended to the
state.
state.
And few wise persons sitting in the board. Therefore, Tilak is too much. Let us reject.
Obliged, my lord.
5 wise men will do duty for the state, save the state exchequer. So let us reject. Somebody might come for litigation, somebody may not, and they were successful in their endeavor. Out of the 5 rejected cases, only 1 approached the court. So they were successful in their endeavor. No recording of region. Heard Mr. Soinsul and Additional Advocate General Arunachal Pradesh for the appellant, and Mr. A.K. Purak as the through virtual mode, assisted by Miss.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Dirilo.
Arguments are complete. Judgment is reserved.
Obliged, your lordship.
Obliged.
I would have written it, but there is a single bench.
May I, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship. This matter to be listed in the second week of December, Your Lordship.
Okay. On the prayer of Miss
P. Pangu, Your Lordship.
Learned Government Advocate. List the case on a date in the second week of December.
My lord, I'm for the petitioner. Kindly fix that may be given. Or
Second week of December.
18.
Will not go on fixing.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Mr. Soinsul and Council for the petition.
My lord, there is an
In
interim-
attendance, has consented to, has submitted that, is consented to the prayer. Full stop. Interim order.
Yes, my lord.
Past failure shall continue till the next date of business.
The
Obliged, Your Lordship.
I beg to mention item number 6.
Item number
Item number 2. Sorry.
2.
Yes.
Yes,
Leading counsel is out of session due to a health issue.
Mr. Soinsul and Council has paid for listing of the case on another date. First stop. Place the case on
Matter may be listed
next
next week.
which day?
Next week. Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 20, my lord.
20.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, I've taken consent, my lord. I need 1 week time, my lord, to file affidavit, my lord.
File affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Ashrakia. Land
20,
Council for
20.
petition is present. Ms. Soinsul and Government Advocate has paid for, has sought for, and is granted 1 week time to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents.
Obliged.
Place the case after a week.
I beg to mention, my lord, item 18, my lord. Here,
1/8.
1/8, my lord. Here I need to
Yes.
file one additional affidavit, my lord. A similar matter has been disposed of by the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
Hmm.
So I have to file an additional affidavit.
Okay, Mr. R. Shoyal and Council for the petition has submitted that. He wants to bring a Supreme Court decision on the same issue by way of an additional affidavit and has sought leave for the same post of Ms. So-and-so, Land Government Advocate for the state respondents is in attendance. Post of the leave so sought for is granted in view of the region cited. The additional affidavit is to be filed within
Within a week, my lord.
a week's time. This is the case. After a week on a date to be expected.
My lordship, I beg to mention item number 25. On behalf of T. Thagum.
On behalf of
T. Thagum.
for the petitioner,
No, lordship, for the respondent number 1 to 3.
1 to 3.
Yes, lordship.
Ms. So-and-so, Land Council for the petition, respondent number 1 to 3 has sought for a listing of the case after
2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks.
My lord, I'm for the petitioner. Service upon respondent number 4 is not completed. Direction may be given to file fresh steps, my lord. Take fresh steps.
File. 25. Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the petition is present. Post up. The prayer made on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 3 is allowed. Post up. Peruse the office note dated 24/11/2025, which reported that service report in respect of respondent number 4 is awaited. First of Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the petitioner has sought for allowing fresh steps upon the respondent number 4.
Yes, my lord.
The prayer is allowed. The petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by speed post within 2 working days from today.
Much
And in that case, it will be 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Much of.
Yes, lordship.
3 weeks for you.
Your Lordship, with the consent from other side, I beg to mention item number 32, 33, 34, and 35, this connected matter. Your Lordship, this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Mr.
J. Karbak.
Land Council for the petitioners has sought adjournment of these cases for 2 weeks. It is submitted that you have informed the other side.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Land Council for the respondents to make the prayer. Prayer is allowed to release the cases after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, 13, and 14.
12, 13, and 14.
Yeah. On behalf
sir.
of the P. Pine, on behalf of the petitioner.
Okay.
This matter may be fixed on December 2nd.
No, we'll not fix. We'll
My lord,
fix,
there's an urgency in the matter, my lord. This is the 5th time they have taken adjournment. Because of the pendency, our promotions are being held up.
Okay, 2nd of December then.
Problem.
Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the petitioner has prayed for listing of the cases on 2nd of December 2025, 2/12, huh? And Mr. D. Panging, Land Council, appearing for the private response, has agreed to the said prayer, along with the Land Government Advocate, first up, release the cases accordingly on 2/12.
Problem.
You're nice.
Lordship, I like to mention item number 4, 5, and 6.
4,
On-
5, and 6.
Yeah.
Yes.
On behalf of Raja Garam,
Petitioner side or respondent side?
a petitioner.
For Tajagoram is
Item number 4, Madam, is a respondent, and item number 5 is the
Ajagoro.
petitioner, Madam.
If
Taja
it's
Garam.
translated in English, it is fresh, hot.
Both, Madam, fresh and hot.
Yes. Okay. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. Taja Goram, Land Council for the private respondents.
Yes.
To list the cases after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, Land Additional Advocate General, Nagaland, for the state respondents.
Arunachal, Madam, not Nagaland, Madam.
Ah. For the state respondent, respondents is in attendance. Who is for the petitioner? You have informed?
Yes.
Okay, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Council for the petitioners to make the prayer for adjournment. Okay, the prayer is allowed. Release the cases after
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3.
Item number 3.
Yes. If your lordship may kindly give the matter on Friday.
On the prayer of Mr.
Nani Kuru. Nani Kuru.
Learned Council for the petition list the case on a date in the next week.
And also your lordship, item number 31.
31.
Yes.
Yes.
Madam, be fixed after a week.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. Swain, so Learned Council
eight.
for the petition.
8th of December.
8th of December. Yeah. With the consent of Mr. D. Panking, Learned Council for the private respondent.
No, in fact, I'm for the petitioner.
Huh?
I'm for the petition.
Okay. So your name? On the prayer of Mr. D. Panking, Learned Council for the petition, release the case on 8/12. So prayer is made with the consent of the Learned Council for the respondents.
They are making the prayer actually. Miss Dangan is not
Yes.
here. Respondent.
Oh, they are making the prayer. Okay,
Yes.
okay, respondent. He said
Respondent number
petitioner.
6.
D. Panking, sorry, Mr. Swain's Learned Council for the petition has paid for listing of the case on 8/12/2025. Mr. D. Panking, Learned Council for the petitioner has agreed to the said prayer, list the case accordingly on 8/12.
Okay.
I know.
Yes, madam.
May I please, your lordship?
Huh.
I beg to mention item number 8. I am for the petitioner. Appearing on behalf of our sonner, consent has been taken from the other party.
Okay, a prayer is made by Miss
R. Yaku,
R. Taku
Yaku Y.
Yaku, Learned Council on behalf of Mr. R. Shonar,
Our sonner.
Learned Council for the petitioner.
Matter may be
With the consent of the Learned Government Advocate Poster. As paid for, list the case after
3 weeks, your lordship.
3 weeks.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
11.
Yes. Lordship, I'm praying for adjournment as the leading counsel is out part of station. I'm for the petitioner.
Okay.
I've taken
The prayer,
consent from
Mr.
K. Param.
Learned Council appearing for the petitioner. List the case after
A week, lordship.
a week.
A week.
Mr. You are for the respondent?
For the respondents.
Respondent what? RGU or government advocate?
RGU, Rajiv Gandhi University, and 2 others.
Mr. Spencer, Learned Standing Council. RGU.
Standing Council of RGU.
RGU. Which
Begum
present has
Arnabam.
Kama has
On behalf of
agreed to the
Arnabam.
said prayer. Arnabam.
Nabam.
List the case accordingly after a week. On a date 2 weeks by the office.
Much of that.
Your lordship,
Yes.
I beg to submit the item number 17.
17.
Yes.
Yes, you are
For the petitioner.
petitioner.
Yes. May release the matter after 3 weeks.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, Learned Council for the petitioner. Release the case after 3 weeks. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Council for the respondents to make the prayer. Yes. Yes, sir.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 36, your lordship.
36.
Again, this matter will set up the 2 weeks.
36.
Yes. You are for?
Respondent number 4, 5, and 6, private.
R4.
4, 5, and 6, yes, your lordship.
4, 5, and 6. Mr. So-and-so. Learned Council for the respondent number 4, 5, and 6, come with the consent of the Learned Council for the other sides, has made a prayer for adjournment of the case for how many time? A week?
2 weeks, your lordship.
Okay. 2 weeks. Poster. Praise the Lord. Release the case after 2 weeks, only 2 weeks by the office.
Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, this contempt, contempt petition, my lord, has been filed
For what?
for violation of the, my lord, order dated 14/10/2024, my lord. 0309/2025, my lord, whereby one post of my lord driver in the Department of Labor and
This, there is another case, right?
Yes, my lord. Item 24.
We fixed it.
With IMI.
Same driver.
Yes.
It can be taken up along with.
We'll take up together. Take up together. You are there, you are the petitioner?
Yes, my obliged.
Item number 9.
For that one, LPC. Okay. That LPC, Mr.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, we'll pass the order accordingly.
Yes, my lord.
Right. That if he has the liberty to approach the
If permissible
court, if permissible under
under
the
law.
but not this way, a shortcut. If that court directs, it may happen, but the appellate authority as respondent number 1, as your instruction also,
Yes.
he has assumed jurisdiction unauthorizedly.
Yes, my lord. In the wrong presumption.
Wrong presumption.
Petition number 4.
Yesterday,
Respondent
we have recorded PD Nair's name and your name, I think.
I'm for the respondent.
Yes, PDS.
PD Nair, along with I have said already, recorded.
Only
Okay,
that,
we'll dispose of.
It was learned that they had filed a contempt petition that was also delayed. They had filed a contempt petition.
Or present. That,
No, the private respondent, they had filed a contempt petition before the magistrate. That was dismissed and it was barred by limitation also.
Then that is the end. Okay, we'll dispose of today.
With the direction. With the direction to the.
No, that is a liberty.
Yes.
It would be open if permissible under the law.
Yes.
Item number 10.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, sir.
This is regarding the.
Assam Rifle, dismissal from service.
Yes, my lord.
Notice issued.
Yes, my lord.
Then,
In fact, we are still waiting for the opposite of affidavit, and they have taken, I think.
who is for, this is, I think, Deputy Solicitor General of India? Yes, Deputy Solicitor General of India, you are.
No, my lord. I am appearing on behalf of DHJM Kato, my
You are
lord.
neither filing any affidavit nor records.
Yes, my lord. My
I
lord,
think you don't intend.
as for instruction, he is in courtroom number 5, my lord. Or as for instruction, a record may be called, and still no instruction has been received from the concerned department. my lord.
Director General of Assam Rifles is directed to transmit the record.
In fact, several deaths has been passed.
And do you have any instruction? Because a letter has been sent from the registry on 7th of August. No, okay. By an email as well as by registered post letter to the Director General of Assam Rifles to transmit the records.
Yes, my lord.
Records are not received yet
Yes, my lord.
since August. So you are not adhering to the direction of the court also.
No, my lord. As per instruction, we will take instruction from the concerned department, but still no instruction has been received.
Your Director General is to transmit the records in August. We are in November, 3 months. What is your instruction?
In this case, my lord, matter may be passed over for a while, my lord. DHJ is in court number 5, my lord.
Let us try to have the records. They are not filing affidavit.
Then
That is why court directed for the records.
my lord, then let us fix the date. Let
Let us have that DUI as GUI
no issue.
after some time.
Highly obliged.
Item number 15.
After some time.
Yes, yes, sure.
Lordship, here I need some time to file affidavit on behalf of respondent number 4.
4.
Yes.
Who is for the petitioner? Mr. Ingo.
Yes, on behalf of
Our Ingo. Huh?
Yes.
You are for 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
1,
4.
2, 3, and 4. Not yet filed. Notice.
Your name?
Lordship. Yeah, Lordship.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm for 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Yes.
Would you file any counter?
Yes, sir. We have filed.
How much time? You have filed?
Yes,
Not
Lordship.
filed.
Filed already.
Filed. I don't think so. File an affidavit. Okay. How many respondents?
1 to 6. 6
Okay.
respondents.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel of petitioner, Miss So-and-so, learned government advocate for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and Miss So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 5 and 6 are present. Post of Miss So-and-so, learned government advocate has shot for and is granted how much time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
Further 3 weeks time.
Your
to file
Lordship,
a
get
counsel
entry.
affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 4.
Only one petitioner.
Petition.
Your Lordship, there is interim. They may be continued.
Interim?
Yes. Interim dated 19/1/24.
Okay. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of the.
On behalf of 1, we have already filed. On behalf of 4, I want to
1.
file. Lordship. Yes.
Okay. 2, 3, and 4.
Obliged.
1 file করা আছে না লাগে এগুলো লিখিব খালি লিখিব গভর্নমেন্ট অ্যাডভোকেট পরে রেসপন্ড নম্বর 1 to 4. Huh?
Item number 16.
Yes, sir.
Your Lordship, here the respondent 7 and 8 need to file reply. Whereas they
16.
Yes, 16.
Item number 16.
Respondent 7 and 8.
Lordship,
4, 5, and 6 has filed.
They filed.
4, 5, and 6 wait.
1 and 2, they are not filing, or who are not filing?
1, 2, 3 filed. This is the on behalf of the respondent 3.
Okay.
On behalf of what?
Oh, there are many respondents.
Yes. 7 and 8 not yet to file. That is CBI and enforcement director.
Edu kiman number dila?
W.
You are submitting in respect of item number
16. 16.
16.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You always 7 and 8. They taking
who represents
two
7
My
and
lord,
8?
I am representing 7 on behalf of M. Kato, my lord. We have not received instruction till date, my lord. So some more time may be given to file affidavit.
Your Lordship, time is taking
1.5 years now.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Still no instruction received.
It is high time you should file.
Yeah.
Mr. For the petitioners. Miss
And Anju for 3, 4, 4, 5, and 6.
Government Advocate.
Standing Council, APPSC, Your Lordship.
Okay, Learned Standing Council.
Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission.
APPSC.
Lordship.
for respondent number
456.
456. Mr.
M. Sora,
M. Sura, Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr.
M. Kato.
M. Kato, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, for the respondent number 7 and 8. 7, 8.
Only
And Miss
For respondent 1, 2, and 3.
T. One Learned Government Advocate, for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 are present. First of Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 3, 7, and 8, has further paid for further 3 weeks' time to obtain the necessary instructions and to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 7 and 8. First of, as the writ petition is pending since January 2024 without any counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 7 and 8, the said respondent shall ensure that its counter affidavit is filed within the next 3 weeks. Please the case after 3 weeks, when the date 2 weeks filings.
Item number 19.
Petitioner not present.
Not present.
I am told that some learned counsel will be busy in some works related to panchayat.
My lord, why I'm saying, my lord, perhaps this matter become infractious. This is pertaining to my lord, disqualification proceedings, my lord, of the panchayat leaders. Now, my lord, today is the last date of my lord the scrutiny. Maybe because of that, my lord, they are not interested. Oh, he is here.
I'm sorry, my lord. In fact, my lord.
That disqualification.
Disqualification, my lord.
Now, panchayat election, all lawyers are busy, I am told.
Yes.
For the next panchayat election. So you should be busy in contesting the next election instead of litigating here. That is what the land AG is saying, that your term is over.
Still, my lord, there was, my lord, disqualification process, my lord. It was initiated, not in terms of the, my lord, provision, my lord.
Okay.
Today, my lord, I have
But even, my lord,
left my brief in the chamber, my lord.
Huh?
I just overlooked the causes, my lord.
But it seems that you are not very interested. Since January 2025, you are not taking any steps for service of notice upon the private respondent.
That, my lord,
it is clearly reflected. Go through all these orders, 4 or 5 orders. No steps for service of notice upon the private respondent have been taken till date by the petitioner. So you are not very interested, perhaps.
My lord, let me have my this instruction from my client also, my lord. In fact, my lord, I have instructed my associate to take steps, my lord. But I have to.
Are you taking steps or take instruction regarding
let me take instruction.
sustainability of the
yes, my lord.
petition?
Yes.
When?
My lord.
Day after tomorrow?
Yes, my lord.
Only for that instruction?
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. Presidential Learned Counsel Kambuk.
Kamduk, madam.
D. Kambuk, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. So Anabam, Learned Additional AG, Provincial Police for the state respondents. First of office notes from 22/01/2025 to 24/11/2025. Report that the petitioner has not taken any steps for service of notice upon the private respondents. First of para. Mr. Dambuk, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has sought listing of the case on Friday in order to obtain instruction whether the writ petition is to be further pursued or not. This is the case according to instructions.
Obliged.
Item number 21.
My lord, I am appearing for my respondent number 1 and my lord 4, my lord. My lord, 21, 22, and 23 are connected, my lord, similar matter, my lord. And I am just now, my lord, informed by my lord counsel for the applicant, my lord, Jayalika, that my lord, that they have, my lord, oversighted the cause list, my lord. So they requested me to, my lord, take an examination on their behalf, my lord.
Till what time?
Next, after 1 week, my lord.
Okay. Mr. R. Shweki, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents, has submitted that he has been informed by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner side that they have missed the cases in the cause list and has requested Mr. Shweki to take an to inform the court accordingly. Full stop. Mr. Shweki has submitted that both the sides would prefer listing of the cases after a week. Post of list the cases accordingly after a week.
Item number 22.
21 to 23, same. Same order. Repeat, huh? Case.
Item number 1 and 24.
Item number
1 and 24.
24. No, this is not. It is related with 26.
Or 24.
One is related with 26. Let us
Sorry.
call the other one.
Okay. Item number 24. 24.
24. You are in 24?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Office not, service is not complete. 24. Mining Private Limited. Service is not complete. Upon respond number 2. Mr.
The other man.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
Ensora.
Learned Counsel on behalf of so-and-so.
For respondent number
SGY for the respond number
1.
1. Full stop. As per office notes dated 24/11/2025, neither ID card nor answered notice has been received back after service from the end of the respond number 2. Full stop. In view of the same, list the case after 2 weeks awaiting service report in respect of respond number 2. Much.
Item number 26.
What are the other orders?
Item number 1.
So that
One be given.
other than this, so that we can hear
I should call the other worship.
other cases.
Okay.
Here, how ekelage লৈ লম.
Item number 27 and 28.
27, 28, 29 also.
My lord, this item number
27 to 29.
Yes. Perhaps my this has been wrongly listed. It's already fixed on 18, my lord. Right?
27 to 29.
29. Yes. What? Dharme.
Why it is wrongly listed?
I don't know why this has been listed. Is it because of IA?
Yes.
No?
Because Lordship has filed the IL, Lordship, which is item number 27.
Oh,
Achha,
IA.
achha.
You have filed. Who has filed? I mean, petition get us.
Respondent 6 and 7, Lordship.
Maintainability.
Yes, Lordship.
This IA, if I correctly remember, is filed by the NHPC, right?
Yes, NHPC.
Yes, my lord. Last time Mr. Tiwari was here, my lord.
That is another case or same case?
No, this is the one, same case, my lord.
Huh?
This is the one, my lord. Where Mr. Arup Barwara also there.
Oh, yesterday I passed the order.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship fixed the
Same
matter on
case?
18th. Yes.
No, this is different. This is different. SC Barbara is there.
Yes, my same matter, my lord.
Same method.
Yes.
But yesterday I passed the order. Let us see. No, those are big files. These are small files.
Parties' names are same, my lord. Narco
Subject matter may be same.
even the
These are
petitioner.
draft. no, the repetitions were last listed on 11/11/2025,
Right.
right? And order was passed to list the repetition on 24/11/2025. I think 24/11 is
Monday.
Monday.
on Monday. But somehow, because of the IA perhaps, the cases are listed today. I don't know, 24/11, I think. Something is,
My lord, as per my request, your lordship have passed the order on 24th, my lord.
what are the repetition number?
It's the repetition number 247,
Huh.
then 352. These are the two repetition, and I have been filed by the NSPC, my lord.
Kali order, so
And this two matter has been fixed on my lord 1812, my lord.
Kali order to laga nahi niki. 24/11. Why is the 24/11 order?
2411.
Right. Remember, I signed that.
Yes,
24/11 का है.
2411, correct.
Ah,
कितना number?
it is not here. I passed the detailed order
Yes.
because you are going to file a field survey
Report
report with
exactly.
affidavit on record.
Exactly, my lord.
I have signed.
Hmm.
Is it not annexed? Where are those? Otherwise, it will be wrong, no? On Monday, I have passed the order.
247, correct.
AC Borbora, PK Tiwari, Mr. Nabam.
Huh? IA bhi tha sir, na? IA was also listed.
They are also one IA.
Yes, the same IA, my lord. This is the one.
But we passed the order in the main.
Main, correct, my lord.
I see. Uploaded or not uploaded?
Yes, Kashif, I got. Which one?
I vividly remember. I signed the order also. Affidavit by the government to bring a field survey report on record by OFN affidavit.
Correct.
And regarding 66.68 hectares and beyond it.
Beyond it, exactly.
Right.
Your lordship still remembers.
Construction of a road, PK Tiwari says,
My lord.
it is halting the process. Upload hoise na? Give the cause list to the PS. Because if the order is not put here, it will be difficult. Okay, we'll rectify it. We'll see that 18.
18, Malay, yes, Malay.
Okay.
1812.
We'll pass the order in I. Because in the main case, we have passed the order already. Heard Miss
M. Bori, Lordship.
M. Bori.
Yes.
Learned Counsel for the Applicant Appellant, and Mr. R.H. Navam, Learned Additional Advocate General, Arunachal Pradesh, for the opposite parties. First up, as the connected repetitions, WPC number 247,
Yes, madam.
2025 and 352, 2020.
Same, madam.
25.
5 or 2025. By order dated 24/11/2025, order to be listed on 18/12/2025. List these IAs also on 18/12/2025 along with WBC number so and so and WBC number so and so. That will pass the order in I.
Item number 30.
Lordship,
No steps.
Steps I have taken, Your Lord.
On R2. Respondent number 2.
Respond.
R2.
Who is respondent number 2?
I have already taken, Your Lord.
Taken.
Yes.
Then there is Chief Election Commissioner.
Yes.
This is regarding, Your Lordship,
Enrollment.
Panchayat election. Only enrollment of
Chief Election Commissioner Nirvachan Bhavan can be made as a part. Chief Election Commission is for assembly elections.
All right. But how is connected with?
Inclusion in the voter list.
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent number 6,
Oh.
State Election Commission have been made part representing R6.
Secretary, State Election Commission.
So,
So he can represent respondent number 2 also. Is it not? Oh,
since
One is commission method.
this is commissions and then
basic, Chief Election Commission, but it is a secretary who will correspond. Chief Election Commission doesn't normally come to the court.
but matter pertains to e-roll of panchayat elections, not assembly.
No, this Chief Election Commission of Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
So he is entrusted with the panchayat.
what she was trying to say, my lord, the chief election commissioner is nothing to do with panchayat election, my lord. He is for the, my lord, MP and MLAs, my lord.
Oh, the nomenclature is wrong, perhaps.
Perhaps, my lord.
Perhaps.
My lord. This should have been.
What is the name?
State election commission. Should have been.
State Election Commissioner. Otherwise, Chief Election Commissioner, he sits in Delhi,
Delhi.
not in Padumpare, Arunachal.
Lordship, the director of Panchayati Raj, Government of Arunachal Pradesh.
Those are
Has been-
okay.
he have
Those
been-
are okay. Those are okay.
Yes. Yes, the
You have-
respondent number 3.
Name the respondent number 2 wrongly. It should be State
My lord.
Election
Commission. Not commission.
Then
Commission.
she will be able to represent him.
No.
Right. Then you have to file an amended cost title so that she would represent respondent number 2 as well as other respondents.
Other respondents.
This case has come for not taking service upon the respondent number 2,
Respondent number 2.
where the nomenclature is wrong. Have you understood?
So correct kar dena.
See the name.
Accept.
The Chief Election Commissioner. It should have been State Election Commission.
Commission.
Arunachal Pradesh State Election Commission. This Chief Election Commissioner sits in Delhi.
Lordship,
He has nothing to do with panchayat election in Arunachal Pradesh.
Lordship, then in this case, amendment will be allowed to be.
Well, an amended
listed.
cost title. I think
You
there
have
is
to
on
file
records
He has to file of IM. my lord.
As the matter is very
either to delete his name or to amend his name. Have you understood?
yes, yes,
That is the procedure
Lordship.
High Court has laid down in a notification. I think notification number 73. Give the notifications. Number
Lordship,
73 is like.
Lordship,
Wasumre. Amended cost title 73. Notification number 73.
73. Lordship, if the case has been heard later on, it will become infractious because the
put it-
nomination there is also
You put the IA tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
tomorrow itself, Your Lordship. It may be
File
taken
it.
tomorrow.
Make an mention. Make a mention at 10:30. We'll do it.
Lordship may take up tomorrow.
Okay. You have to file the IA.
Lordship, I'll do it.
Will
Along
you
with-
be able to do it?
Lordship, along with the main petition, maybe
Will
take it
you?
tomorrow.
No, thereafter it has to be corrected, sir. There is a process.
Lordship,
If the fault is attributable to you, but we have to follow a process, right? After correction, she has to be put on notice again. Making it returnable same within a week, maybe. Let us see. Will you be able to do it tomorrow?
Lordship,
Make a mention tomorrow. Should we list tomorrow?
My lord, no issue.
Okay. On the prayer, Mr. Spencer, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, list the case tomorrow.
My lord.
R.H. Nawab, Learned Additional AG, and Miss
Anji.
Anji for the state respondents are present.
My lord.
Yes.
Item number 1
One, then
and item number 26.
26. There is an I also.
Yes, ma'am. I is by me, Lordship.
I is for?
I is for vacations of the interim order. So main case may be heard, Lordship.
My lord, the reason behind filing this contempt, my lord, when the reason, whatever.
We are
may be
hearing the main petition.
Yeah.
Main writ petition.
If in the main writ petition, my lord,
State has filed affidavit. Yes.
I may be allowed to file, my lord, a rejoinder, my lord, within 3 days, man. If main petition is to be taken up to them, my lord.
What was the order passed yesterday?
Order
You were there.
That endeavor will be made to.
You agree to it?
Lordship, otherwise, Lordship, our affidavit was filed on 7th of this month, Lordship. Already 20 days has passed and copy was served that time only, Lordship.
And what is the IA?
IA is for vacations for interim order.
Vacation. Already in 27/11/2025 or 21. Considering the urgency of the matter on the next date fixed, this matter be taken up for final disposal.
In IA also that observation is there and in the main case also.
Yesterday's order is not annexed.
Day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday. No, order is not annexed. Order is not annexed. Yes, tell me what to do. You agree? That will take up.
In case if my friend is not ready for the final disposal of the writ petition, in that case my IA may be lost or lost.
IA.
My lord, on IA, I have a.
We'll issue notice in a contempt.
That can be, but if
and we'll take up the IA.
If lordship here the lordship matter, even it's not fit to issue notice in the item number 1 lordship contempt. There's no contempt at all lordship.
Let us see the IA first. General. You have a set of rule.
Lordship.
Okay.
Main case ready नहीं है.
Do direct requirement.
Main case कर लो.
This is post of driver.
Post of driver lordship.
To fill up to be under B SB.
वो कर सकते हैं.
What is APSSB?
This staff selection board lordship.
Arunachal
Staff
selection
board.
Who recruits lordship subordinate services, non-ministerial.
Or my lord.
Let me read, then I'll ask question. So you are contingency driver.
Yes, my.
And one post is vacant as on date.
Yes, my.
And as per the rules, that post is meant for direct recruitment. So how can you stake a claim on that post?
My lord.
Because the quota for contingency driver
Yeah.
for regularization
Yeah.
is 25%. And that is already that post out of 3 posts. 2 are meant for one.
2 are meant for promotion losses. One is for
Promotion.
direct and 2 posts are already being held by 2
other incumbents.
eh,
So there is no post in the cadre
Yeah.
of driver to be filled up by promotion from the contingency drivers.
Yeah.
So in that case, this is barred your claim
Yeah.
to the post reserved for recruitment by way of direct recruitment is not permissible, your claim.
My lord, my only
As per the rules, you cannot
Yeah.
cross the rules.
my lord, my only contention is that a similarly situated driver, my lord, by the name of
It
Forrest.
may, but everything is subject to vacancy.
Hmm.
Everything is subject to vacancy.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it will fall foul to the Constitution.
My lord, in that case, my lord,
You have to wait, perhaps.
yeah.
You have not been disturbed. You are doing service for more than 10 years. You are eligible to be considered. But question is, there has to be a vacancy to be promoted from contingency driver. That is your case, Mr.
Lordship.
Only one post vacant
Yes, Lordship.
out of 3 posts.
Out of 3 posts, which is meant
One is
direct
meant for direct recruitment. The other 2 can be filled up by
promotion.
promotion. 25% is from contingency. 25% from handyman. And the other
50 is for direct recruitment.
So this is clear.
My lord, this writ petition, my lord, maybe this was with a direction, my lord, to the respondent authority to take a decision on my representation, which is pending since 2023, my lord. Along with, my lord, I may be allowed to file a fresh writ petition along with this, my lord. Since the exam is scheduled.
No, when the facts are clear, how can we close our eyes? When the facts are clear, tell me whether in the department, what is the department?
Labor Department.
Labor and Employment Department.
Yes.
And they say they have only 3 sanctioned posts of driver. Right?
Yes.
As on date, 2 posts are occupied. 1 post is vacant. Right?
Yes.
And these 2 posts, and rules say 50% is by direct recruitment and 50% by promotion. And that 50% promotion quota is more, again, subdivided. 25% from contingency driver and 25% from handyman. Right? Already that post has been filled up by one contingency driver who has been promoted. Right? Now, situation is that until and unless he retires, your legitimate right to claim promotion is stopped. Yes, in the meantime, by fortuitous circumstances, if the strength of the cadre is increased, then your opportunity will be open. That is the case, I think, sum and substance. So no question of disposing of representation.
But my lord,
no question of contempt.
My lord, I have been claiming for a vacant post since 2020, my lord.
Oh, there is no vacancy, sir.
Vacancy was there, my lord.
Yes, one.
Yes.
Men for direct recruitment. You compete then if you have the age and qualification. You compete along with all this fresh candidates. Otherwise, you cannot be brought to that vacancy by way of promotion.
My lord, the problem is a simple matriculate candidate cannot
So you have to wait for your turn. Either if the department increases the strength of the cadre,
Yeah.
or that man retires.
With that observation, my lord, then if
No, I can only observe that
yes.
this petitioner would have a legitimate right to claim
Yeah.
only in these two situations.
Yes.
Only in these two situations. Thereafter, you file a representation, increase the strength of the cadre. That is a different matter. Right? I cannot say create post. We can say that petitioner would have legitimate right to claim promotion or for consideration of his promotion, for consideration of his case for promotion,
Yeah.
only in two situations. One, when the post already occupied
Yeah.
by a promoted contingent driver is vacant, or the strength of the cadre of driver in the labor and employment department is increased,
Yeah.
creating a vacancy from the contingency driver. I think that is the case, sum and substance.
Exactly.
Our hands are tied, sir.
My lord, that observation may be made.
We'll do. I have said.
Yes, yes.
Heart, Mr. N. Pada.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. The instant writ petition and the article. Okay, please take your seat. Correct me if I go wrong.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Take your seat. Please take your seat. I'm just thinking. Better, I'll correct in my office to call one of the two. One of the two, my PS. Because if I dictate, then thereafter I can correct it my Manglo. But my PS are staying with me. So they are available anytime. So this is why I'm replacing him. PS. Because he stays somewhere.
Yes, Lord.
My PS, they have come along with me.
Lord.
So they are staying with me. And they are available to me all the time. So after dictation, I can correct it. Anytime. So that is why.
Lord.
পিছত আৰামছে মাৰি থাকিব পাৰিব। In this writ petition preferred under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has inter alia sought for a direction to the Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission.
No.
Board.
Staff selection.
You had made it wrong. Arunachal Pradesh, in the prayer, Staff Selection Commission, within bracket APSSB.
Sorry, my
That short is correct. But that full APSSB is correct, Lord.
To recall or cancel an advertisement number stroke 05/25, dated 5/8/2025, whereby, amongst others, applications, online applications were invited from eligible candidate to fill up a post of driver, fill up a vacancy in the post of driver within bracket LMV existing in the Labor and Employment Department, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Full stop. The petitioner has also sought for a direction for regularization of his service as a driver by constituting a departmental promotion committee in terms of, quote, the General Arunachal Service. Is it the correct name? Or? Quote, the General Arunachal Service, group dash, quote unquote, capital C, driver, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, common recruitment rules, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, within bracket, bracket 2, recruitment rules, 2008, as amended.
2006.
2006? Okay, 2006. As amended by, page 16 of the IA 289, Dagmar edition. Amendment Rules 2024. First stop. Para. It is the case of the petitioner that
Amendment is on 24, Lordship.
After 2024, I have said. I marked it already to be written by him. Hereinafter referred to as the recruitment rules for short. The case of the petitioner is that he came to be appointed as a contingency driver in the Department of Labor and Employment, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, by an order dated 19/10/2012, issued under the hand of the Labor Commissioner, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, or Department of Labor and Employment, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Full stop. By the order dated 19/10/2012, the petitioner's appointment as contingency driver was given with effect from the date of joining duty to 31/12/2012 at a fixed wage per month. Full stop. Subsequent to the initial appointment order dated 19/10/2012, the service of the petitioner as a contractual contingency driver in the department continued till date, right? Full stop. The petitioner has stated that prior to his appointment as contingency driver, he was in possession of a valid driving license. And the departmental authorities had also undertaken a driving test to examine the petitioner's driving skill. Full stop. Para. As one of the contingency drivers, namely, Paresh Das, came to be regularized as a driver in the year
Page 26 was.
Page 26. On 22/09/2020, after recommendation by the Departmental Promotion Committee, DPC, in its meeting held on 18/9/2020, the petitioner, who had completed more than 8 years as a contingency driver.
Lordship, 12 years, more than 12 years.
More than 2.
You submitted on, okay. Where is your representation? You submitted first time in page 28 after 8 years.
Yes, ma'am. 2020.
Who had served more than 8 years, submitted an application before the respondent authorities seeking his regularization. Full stop. When the representation dated 7/10/2020 was not responded to, the petitioner submitted representations in the subsequent years also. Full stop. Para. The petitioner stated that as he was legitimately expecting consideration of his case for regularization as a driver from the status of contingency driver, the impugn advertisement, that is advertisement number 05/2020 2000, sorry, 05/25, page 33. Came to be published by the Arunachal Pradesh Staff Selection Board, APSSB, on 5/8/2025. Full stop. By the said advertisement, online applications were invited for non-ministerial within bracket technical bracket close examination -2025 from eligible candidates for recruitment to group quote unquote capital C post against vacancies for departments stroke offices indicated in the table therein. Full stop. In the table outlining, listing the post stroke vacancies, it was mentioned that there was a vacancy. It is mentioned that there is a vacancy in the post of driver within bracket LMB in the labor and employment department, and the post is meant to be filled up by candidates belonging to scheduled tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, correct?
Yes.
Full stop. It is in the above backdrop, the petition has been preferred, seeking the reliefs mentioned above. First of all, I have heard Mr.
N. Padam.
N. Pada,
Yeah.
learned counsel for the petitioners, and Mr.
S. W.
Learned additional advocate general,
Senior government advocate.
senior government advocate, Arunachal Pradesh, for all the respondents, state respondents. First of Mr. Pada, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, has submitted that the petitioner has already completed more than 12 years of service as a contingency driver in the Department of Labor and Employment, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Full stop. The governing rules, that is, so as amended by 2006, as amended by 2024, has a provision for regularization for consideration of a case of contingency driver for promotion, I think, Mr. Promotion.
This is
Regularization or promotion rules?
this is through limited departmental competitive examinations.
For consideration of a case of contingency driver to be appointed as driver to limited departmental examination. Where is your rule?
This is at page 88 also.
Page
88 also.
88.
This is amended.
And First off, it is his contention that since there is a vacancy in the Labor and Employment Department as on date, which has been advertised in the impugned advertisement, the case of the petitioner ought to have been given consideration instead of going for publication of an advertisement to fill up the said vacancy. First off, para au contraire, Mr. Sunil Leonard, senior government advocate appearing for the state respondents, has submitted that the matters of recruitment and conditions of service of drivers in the Department of Labor and Employment are regulated and governed by 2006 rules as amended by 2024 rules. First off, as per the recruitment rules, 50% of the vacancies in the post of driver is to be filled up by direct recruitment conducted by the APSSB and 25% of the vacancies are to be filled up through limited departmental competitive examination, LDCE, conducted by the APSSB from amongst the contingency skilled driver who possesses class 10/ITI or equivalent pass certificate, who possesses the qualification mentioned herein. First off, the remaining 20% of the vacancies are to be filled up through LDCE to be conducted by the APSSB from amongst the handymen possessing the requisite qualification. First off, as on date, the Department of Labor and Employment has 3 sanctioned posts of driver, and 2 of the posts are occupied by 2 persons, namely Paresh Das and page 28.
Page 121 was. No, so my lordship affidavit
121.
121.
Minki ete. Full stop. The vacancy in the post of driver, which has been advertised wide, advertisement number 05/2000, 05/25, is meant to be filled up by way of direct recruitment. And in such view of the matter, the claim of the petitioner for his promotion to it would be divorce the recruitment rules. Full stop. Para. I have given due consideration to the submissions of the Land Council for the parties. And I've also gone through the materials brought on record by the parties to their pleadings. We'll come back at 2 close to dictate the I've been here since morning, as like you. Any other matter?
Yes, item number 10.
10.
Item number 10, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. I was on my item.
Yes. Something.
May I pray that, my lord, one more opportunity may be given so that I can, my lord, get my lord.
Item 10, who has taken the dictation? Item number 10. Yeah, item number 10. Who is the petitions counsel?
Yes.
My lord, me.
Mr.
RDOD.
R. Deori, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Deputy Solicitor General of India for the respondent number?
All respondents.
All the respondents. Post up. Something I dictated since January or something? No.
Not yet.
Mr. Swenson has DUI has sought for and is granted. 3 weeks time.
My lord, that may be fixed. My humble
Further
submission.
3 weeks time. Further, what is the case about?
It's regarding
Dismissal.
I'm unauthorized dismiss and I'm challenging
Let
that.
them file the affidavit.
Service.
Sought for further 3 weeks time to obtain the necessary instructions and to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents. First up, praise aloud, raise the case after praise aloud. First up, in view of the fact that the petition is of the year 2024, the respondents will ensure that its counter affidavit is filed within 3 weeks time. Raise the case after 3 weeks, so we need to fix my matters. The petitioner has been serving as a contingency driver in a department of Labor and Employment, Government of Arunachal Pradesh since his initial order of appointment dated 19/10/2012. First up, the petitioner, in order to press his claim for appointment in the substantive post of driver, has referred to a case has referred to the case of Juan Perez Das. Post up. From the materials brought on record, it is noticed that Perez Das was appointed as a contingency driver in the Department of Labor and Employment since 14/9/1997. And after 2 decades of continuous service as a contingency driver on a fixed wage till August 2017, he made a representation for his regularization of his service as a regular driver against a clear vacant post of the Departmental Promotion Committee held in a meeting held on 18/9/2020 resolved to regularize the officiating appointment of Perez Das from 18/9/2020 in a post of driver. Post of para. As mentioned above, the state government, in exercise of the powers conferred by the proviso to Article 309 of the Constitution of India, made a set of rules, namely, quote, the general, page 90, the general Arunachal Pradesh group, quote unquote, capital C, driver, within bracket non-gazetted, non-ministerial, bracket close, recruitment rules 2006. In order to regulate the method of recruitment to the post of driver, group, quote unquote, capital C, in all departments under the government of Arunachal Pradesh, except police, fire service, jail service, and state transport. Post up. The set of rules, the said rules came to be amended by is 88. The General Arunachal Service Group C driver, within bracket, a non-gazetted, non-ministerial, bracket close, common recruitment within bracket amendment rules 2024. Full stop. The earlier method of recruitment in filling up the post of driver, Group C driver, which were contained in the schedule to the rules, came to be substituted in the following manner. Page 88, pencil to pencil. Full stop. By the amendment, by the amended rules, it has been prescribed that 50% of the posts, 50% of the vacancies in a post of driver Group C is to be filled up by direct recruitment conducted by APSSB. Full stop. The remaining 50% of the vacancies in the post of driver Group C are to be filled up by limited departmental competitive examination, LDCE, to be conducted by APSSB. Full stop. From these remaining 50%, 25% of the vacancies are to be filled up through LDCE from amongst the contingency skilled drivers who possess class 10 / ITI or equivalent pass certificate from a recognized board or institution with 10 years in the concerned department / office. Post of para. It is true that the petitioner has gained the experience of more than 10 years of service as a contingency driver in the Department of Labor and Employment, and as contended, he also possesses class 10 qualification. Full stop. It is a full stop. The issue therefore is whether the publication of the advertisement to fill up a vacancy in the post of Group C existing in the Department of Labor and Employment has infringed the right of the petitioner to be considered for promotion through LDCE. Full stop. It has been placed on record by the state respondents that as on date, the Department of Labor and Employment has 3 sanctioned posts of driver Group C. Full stop. So as per 80:20 reservation policy, two of the 3 posts are meant for scheduled tribes candidates of Arunachal Pradesh, and the 3rd post is meant to be filled up by a candidate from general category. Full stop. The Department of Labor and Employment has at present 2 drivers holding the post of Group C driver, and they are Minki Ete and Pores Das. Full stop. As per the post-based roster, post-based roster, prepared wide order number AR-39/2010/188 dated 15/10/20, 15/10/2010, the 2 posts which are reserved for promotion are being occupied by Minki Ete and Paresh Das respectively. Full stop. The post held by Minky Ete is meant for scheduled tribe candidates from Arunachal Pradesh, and the post held by Paresh Das is meant for general candidates within bracket non-APST. Post up. The third post, which is presently vacant, is meant to be filled up by direct recruitment. Post up. In view of such position as reflected by the point-based roster, the Department of Labor and Employment has no other option but to fill up the lone vacant post presently existing, lone vacancy presently existing in the post of Group C driver by way of direct recruitment in order to adhere to the provisions of Rules 2006 as amended by Rules 2024. Full stop. Para do. A right to be considered for promotion is a fundamental right, but such right to be considered for promotion is to be considered in terms of the extent recruitment rules. First stop. A set of rules framed under the proviso to Article 309 of the Constitution of India is treated to be is held to be held to be constitutional rules. First stop. Para, in the above fact situation obtaining in the case, the claim of the petitioner for either for regularization or for filling up the lone vacancy existing in the post of Group C in the Department of Labor and Employment, even by LDCE, cannot be countenanced. Full stop. The full stop. Thus, there is no, but thus this court finds no reason to interfere with the process of selection initiated by the APSSB wide advertisement number 05/25 05/25 dated 5/8/2025 to fill up the lone vacancy existing in the post of Group C driver in the Department of Labor and Employment. Post of. Consequently, the writ petition is found to be devoid of merit. Is bereft of any merits. Bereft of merit, and the same is liable to be dismissed. Post of para. The petitioner has rendered more than 12 years of continuous service as a contingency driver in the Department of Labor and Employment. And he also possesses the requisite qualification to be in the zone of consideration for consideration of his case for promotion in a 25% quota are reserved for candidates serving as contingency drivers in the Department of Labor and Employment. Post of. However, his right to be, however, the petitioner would have the rightful claim to stake would be in a position to stake claim for consideration of his case for promotion only in the event there exists a vacancy in 25% quota reserved for promotion to the post of Group C, driver Group C, from contingency drivers to LDCE, which position is not existing at present. Post of. For the discussion made above, in the light of the discussion made above and for the reasons assigned, the writ petition is dismissed. There shall, however, be no order as to cause. Right. I have observed that as soon as the vacancy arises, you stake claim. That Paras Das is having hardly 4 or 5 years.
And Lordship may
I'll close.
observe that Lordship,
Oh, the interim order,
if any,
stands merged
Lordship, may
with this order. Stands recalled.
Lordship.
Stands recalled. Perhaps there shall be no.
My Lord, while
Para.
this
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for a contempt petition. Oh, sorry. In view of the order passed today in the writ petition WPC number 425/2025, disposing of the writ petition, the instant interlocutory application stands accordingly disposed of. Post of. Next, contempt petition. The heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for a petition. You are not in the picture here.
No, I'm not in.
This contempt petition is preferred, alleging violation of a direction made in an order dated 3/9/2025, passed in a writ petition, WPC number 425/2025, preferred by the present petitioner as the writ petitioner. Post of para. On consideration, it is found that the order dated 3/9/2025 was an interim order. Full stop. Was an interim order. Passed in WBC number so and so. Full stop. By an order dated, by an order passed today, within bracket. 26/11/2025. The order, sorry, the repetition, WBC number so and so, has been dismissed. And the interim order dated 3/9/2025 stands recalled. Post of in such view of the matter, the contempt petition is closed.
My lord, only a mention may be kindly made that dismissal of the writ petition will not be a bar for the petitioner to file fresh repetition.
That I will not say.
Otherwise,
I'll say before that, in the light of discussion I got, therefore, it might be open for the petitioner to stake his claim for promotion to the post of Group C driver only when a situation, a vacancy arises in the quota reserved for filling up the post of Group C driver by way of promotion from contingency drivers.
Yeah.
So you stake claim.
others also that is liberties always with the petitioner.
So I am still observing.
Obliged.
May not be possible that tomorrow it will be uploaded.
It is over.
Anything to be filled up, sir?
No.
Anything left?
No.